Okay, now we will discuss the classification of numbers. Classification of numbers. So, in the number system, we have first we will discuss the natural numbers. Natural numbers that are starting from 1 and to infinity. Second, we have whole numbers that are starting from 0 to infinity. Third, we have integers that are starting from negative side to positive side. After that, we have rational numbers. So, rational numbers, we can represent a rational number as p by q form, where q is not equal to 0. Another thing is here, that is irrational numbers. Now, what is the main difference of rational and irrational numbers? We will discuss this. We will discuss what is a rational number and a irrational number. If I take the example as 1 by 2, this is a rational number or can be written as zero point 0.5. If I write 1 by 3, this is 0.33 up to so on or zero point 0.3 bar. Both are the examples of rational number. What about irrational? If I write 22 by 7, we know this is 3.14567, and after that each and every digit is different. So if I write rationals, rationals are repeating and terminating. This is the terminating number. After one decimal point, it is terminated, or this is non-terminating, but this is repeating. So non-terminating and repeating are rational numbers, and if they are only terminating, that is also called rational number. So one example to understand rational is termination, another is non-terminating but repeating. Irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating, or no pattern is there, non-reoccurrence is there. If I take another example, you can write under root 2, under root 3. These are the examples of irrational numbers. Major basic difference is that if a number is terminated after one decimal point or two decimal point, that is the rational number. Irrational numbers are if they are non-terminating, they are not terminating after the decimal point, or they are keep on repeating, but they are like non-repeating. In the case of irrational number, they are non-terminating and non-repeating. As we can see, all the numbers are different after decimal point. So this is the example of irrational number and rational number. Now we will discuss prime numbers. For example, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers. These are the numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. So what is the application of prime numbers? Let us say another term is there, that is co-prime. We'll discuss what we call it as co-primes or a co-prime pair. So if I write 3 and 7, 3 and 7, I can say HCF of these two numbers is 1. Nothing is common, so they can be called as co-prime. Another example, 2 and 7. These two are having nothing common, so this is the co-prime pair. Further, we will see that how to apply co-primes while solving the question of divisibility rule. For example, if I say 6, a number, and factors of 6 are 2 and 3, these are the prime factors that are the co-primes of 6.